Hey, what's happening, guys? What's going on? Streets Trading coming at you with another trade lesson video for everybody looking at an hourly chart of MARA. Marathon Digital Holdings Incorporated, financial services sector. Let's get into it. So, big moves happening. We had this on our weekly trade watches going into this week's session and on our daily trade ideas as well going into pre-market. We've been trading MAR for quite a while. It's given very solid moves to both the upside and to the downside. Obviously, the fact that it tracks crypto, well, Bitcoin really, gives us a nice opportunity to have some exposure in the space without trading it on it daily, because we're not crypto traders. We invest in crypto, but anyway, that's another conversation. We went into the to the session yesterday with a clear plan as to why we were going to take this thing to the upside. If you haven't had a look at the trade ideas video, go have a look, see what we were talking about going into the session. And price did what we wanted it to do. Bottom line, like we talk about this time and time again, we have a plan, we stick to our plan. If we're right, we're putting on risk. If we're wrong, we don't put on risk. If we get involved when we're wrong, we get out and that's it. We move on. Or we sit there and analyze if price continues to fight and hold. Then maybe we're just early. But at the end of the day, guys, you can't, no one can predict the future, right? You put probabilities on your side, and when you are confirmed that your plan is actually happening, whether you've already taken a couple L's or not, you got to get back in, right? When everything lines up that you planned for, therefore what you had thought was going to happen is actually happening, the market is telling you, you know what, your analysis is correct, let's make some money. So there was a number of reasons why we decided to take this thing to the upside yesterday. We ended up taking a stop in the beginning of the session, and but we were just early, you know, and we got back into this thing and ended up taking it to the upside. So it worked up picture perfect, well, with an asterisk obviously besides the first stop up, but big deal, it happens almost every day. You got to stick with it, guys, right? That's why you can't get caught up on a loss, right? That's why you got to manage your risk. Don't give yourself huge wide stops where, you know, if your security is going against you, you're sitting there sweating it out. There's no need for that shit, man. Take the L, take a step back, reevaluate the situation with a clear mind, not emotional, right? Anyway, let's get into how we ended up trading this thing, what we saw going into it. As you guys know, if you saw the trade this video, but we're going to talk all that management of the position and our analysis moving forward. All right, guys, let's get down to business.